Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing Baleine Endiablée Microbrasserie. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Rivière-Ouelle, 8.1 miles from Centre Bombardier, Baleine Endiablée Microbrasserie has accommodations with a garden, free private parking, a terrace and a restaurant. This 3-star hotel offers a bar. The hotel has family rooms. With a private bathroom equipped with a bath, rooms at the hotel also feature free Wi-Fi, while certain rooms also offer a balcony. The nearest airport is Quebec City Jean Lesage International Airport, 91 miles from Baleine Endiablée Microbrasserie. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.